Welcome back, guys, to Just Plain Crazy. It is Brendan, and we are here to Maiden a 990mm Lucky Gallon Corsair from HobbyKing. Link down in the description below. Let's get to the Maiden. All right, guys, so this is the HobbyKing Lucky Gallon 990mm Maiden. I got my man Kevin over there going to give me a toss, and I got my man Donnie on the stick, so we're going to start powering up. Timer set for 4 minutes. Recommended CG and throws on this powering up, Kevin.
Yep.
Motor throttle active.
Go ahead. So we need some down trim and right trim. All right, I think we're pretty good there. So a little bit, and when you hand launch something for the first time, guys, it's desirable to have someone else do it so you can be on the sticks like I was, because you never really know what to expect. But this thing is going to be more of a park flyer, belly lander, you know, gentle kind of skimming by plane. Already it flies pretty smooth. It's quiet. It's very agile already. It turns very quick for you. Power is good. That's full.
3 minutes.
Oh my God. Like no problem. No problem taking off on 4S for sure. That's full throttle. And it'll turn and do whatever you want. That's crazy. Like you can throw this thing around like a 3D flyer. So it's a little touchy. I think we can turn the rates down probably a little bit, but if you want to just putz, we'll bring it by here slow. And I know it's small, so hopefully you're not losing it, but for the first time flying something, you know, you want to keep it at a safe altitude, but that's slow. It'll cruise around if you want it to. You know, can you fly it in a confined spot? I mean, right now I'm flying on a baseball field if you want to think of it that way. You can easily add power to this thing, so even though that you're slow, you can power up, kick that rudder over a little bit, that thing just goes. Loop into a Cuban, you can cut the power. This can be like kind of like a fun fly plane if you want. Little wing over there. Inverted flight isn't bad. Outside loop into a wing over. I want to see my camera guy's skills to see how quickly he can follow this thing changing direction. So always a big thank you to my man Donnie, who comes out and he helps me with these, even in crappy weather like we have right now. It's not ideal, it's not warm.
1 minute.
But this thing's fun. You want to throw it around, go throw it around. It flies slow, or let's go ahead and turn it around here.
50 seconds.
Or bring it by on a fast run.
40 seconds.
This is insane. This thing is so fast, it's not even funny. I think this is much faster than the Yak 11.
20 seconds.
What a blast. All right, guys, so that's like 4 minutes. So let's go ahead and do some scooting across the snow here.
10, 9,
and
8,
land this. Then we're going to check
7,
the cells and see
6,
what we got.
5,
I didn't know what to
4,
expect from this little park flyer, but I tell you what, this thing's a
1.
riot. So here we go, just going to skim it down in. We got those little covers on the back of the ailerons, so that way that covers that gear. But guys, that is the new Lucky Gallon from HobbyKing. Thanks for watching. Let's do the wrap up. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and check the cells. We were definitely, I think, closer to 5 minutes total play time here, but let's see what we got left. And this is a 4S 2200. Oh my God, we got 61% left. You could fly this all day and probably get bored before you run out of battery on a 2200. And that's only like a 35 seat pack. So neat little flying airplane, aerobatic, definitely something you could putz around with in the park, and it's stable. I like the details on this thing for sure. Very simple with just elevator, rudder, and ailerons and throttle. So if you're looking for something cheap to take out and not worry about gear and retracts and everything else, I think you have a neat flying little park flying plane here. Pretty cool. All right, guys, and there you have it. It's Brendan here from Just Plain Crazy, and this is the HobbyKing Lucky Gallon Corsair. So again, 990 millimeters, roughly, I guess, 38, 39 inches. But with that being said, click down in the link in the description below. Check them out over at www.hobbyking.com. See if there's anything else over there you might be interested in, or if this is what you're looking for, you'll find that link there. So again, it's Brendan at Just Plain Crazy. You're just plain crazy for hanging out and watching. I appreciate every one of you guys. If you liked it, smash that thumbs up button. It helps me out a lot. If you're going to hit the thumbs down, do that thing twice. Shamefully, like, share, subscribe, all that cool other stuff. Check us out on the official Facebook and Instagram Just Plain Crazy pages. And with that being said, I wish you guys happy flights. Peace out.